In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join the official Red Dead Redemption 2 Discord server. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you want to join the official Red Dead Redemption 2 Discord server, first things first, you're going to want to go ahead and just minimize out of Discord temporarily and open up a web browser of your choice. On this web browser, and keep in mind I'm using Google Chrome, but you could use whatever you'd like, and you can even use a mobile device as long as you do have Discord on it. Just essentially go ahead and search for Red Dead Redemption 2 and then add Discord at the very end of it, just like so. And it's going to pull up a page that looks like this. That very top link right there is going to be the official Red Dead Redemption 2 server. So go ahead and select it just like so. It's going to take you to a page like this. And then it'll redirect you into Discord where you'll be prompted to accept the official invite for the Red Dead Redemption 2 server. When you hit accept, it's going to go ahead and have you customize some server settings. After customizing those settings, you will have to read through the rules, accept those rules, and you are good to go. Yeah, overall, it is as simple as that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe before leaving this video. It really does help us out here on the channel. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.